This is the Rhodies and Rhodies car show here this weekend, Florence, Oregon. No short of cars down here this weekend, that's for sure.
What's wrong with this picture? It's a great t-shirt. 3-8-2 with the red ticket. 1-1-3-3-8-5-2 They're right anyway. The group of 5-2-4-9-0 air compressor or a 70-29 pounds air compressor. A bunch of numbers up on the boards. Check your red and blue.
He's checking our pockets right now. That guy's correct. Psychic. Anyway, Teresa, we have your phone. But if not, you're
Thanks.
not the owner. So, you kids and your activities. All right, people, let's get back to the show.
Good luck with that.
Music with this slow stuff. Let's see if they notice.
I really like this Camaro Z28.
Sorry about that.
This is the Smokey and Bandit mobile right here, guys.
All right, there we go.
You treated me so kind. I'm about came into my life. 'Cause you came and you took control. You touched my very soul. You always showed me that loving you is where it's at. You made me so very happy. I love you so much, you see. All I ever want to do is thank you back.
I got comedians all around me, lending me lines. You guys good?
Thanks for